2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.